Is it a lovely day today?
Yes.
It's beautiful, isn't it? I'm going to have a look.
Yeah.
Ah! You guys dare me to run out in this? It's, oh my god, hail and rain. It's summer! What disgusting weather. Sorry if it goes dark for a few minutes. Just trying to keep it all nice and warm.
It's on the door. Hey!
So me and Anya and Lainey are going to start running out there. And there's my mum. Haha, Mum, you're on the internet. Fun.
Could be worse.
Yeah. You ready? Steady? Go! Go! God, it's pouring my ears! Oh, God. Oh my God, guys, look. Oh, God. It's not a great weather. Anya, come on! Today we're trying to keep as warm as we can. Wait, Kels, can you be a little bit quiet? Today we're trying to stay as warm as we can because it's freezing. Now, who wants to do a little game?
Me.
What should we do? Right, no, wait. What you need to do is you run around the whole circle and then jump on the grass and roll around, yeah?
Yeah. Not roll around.
Okay, we'll jump. We'll just run around the whole place. Oh, God. It was worse than it looks in the camera. 3, 2, 1, go! Ah! There's so many puddles! I'm getting wet! I'm not even using my GoPro, and it's actually surviving. Alright, this way! Oh, come on! Oh well. It's not that bad, you don't know why?
Why?
Because I'm actually quite dry! No, I'm not.
I cannot be cold.
Right, I'm going to say this right now, but sorry, it's not the end though. Be sure, how many likes do you want? 1,000?
1,000.
See, I want 1,000 likes
I like 1,000 likes.
and 1,000,000 subscribers.
And million
Subscribers.
subscribers.
You heard the girl! How much subscribers do you want?
10.
No, 1,000,000!
1,000,000.
Yeah! If we reach 1,000,000, I will be so happy. Can we please try and get 2 goddamn million?
Yes.
Anya, do you know what a dab is? Do this. 2 hands and do that.
Yes.
Oh, she's doing a dab! Oh! Can you do a dab?
Do it like this.
Oh, she's doing a dab! Right, I won't get you back in my jacket. Just so you don't break. Right, this time, what do you want to do now?
Run around.
Maybe we should run all the puddles and jump in them.
Yeah.
You had it! I'm going to jump in the first puddle! Ah! Jump in the first puddle. Why am I walking? This is the next puddle. Ah! Come on!